What if I told you the sunlight hitting your face right now is older than the Great Pyramids of Egypt? Not 8 minutes old, not even a few years old, tens of thousands of years old. Yes, while it only takes 8 minutes for sunlight to travel from the sun to Earth, that light actually spent up to 170,000 years trapped inside the sun before escaping. And what it went through inside is pure chaos, extreme heat, crushing pressure, constant collisions. So the real question is, what actually happens inside the sun before light ever reaches us? Because the answer doesn't just explain the sun, it explains life on Earth itself. Birth of the sun, cosmic origins. Let's go back billions of years. The sun didn't just appear. It was born from a massive cloud of gas and dust, stretching hundreds of light years across. But here's the twist. That cloud came from dead stars, stars that exploded in massive supernovae, scattering elements like hydrogen, helium, and heavier atoms across space. So yes, the sun, and even you, are made of recycled stardust. Over time, gravity pulled this material together. Clumps formed, they grew bigger, and their gravity became stronger. Then something triggered everything. A nearby star exploded. Its shockwave rippled through cloud, compressing regions into dense pockets. Those pockets collapsed under their own gravity, and one of them became our sun. From gas to star fusion ignition. At first, the sun was just a dark, dense ball of gas, protostellar core. No light, no energy, just gravity pulling everything inward. As it collapsed, it got hotter and denser. Particles moved faster. They collided harder, until one moment changed everything. The core hit 10 million degrees Celsius, and suddenly, nuclear fusion began. Hydrogen atoms slammed into each other so violently that they fused together, step by step. Hydrogen, deuterium, helium. 3 helium, 3 helium, 4. This is called the proton-proton chain reaction. And here's the crazy part. The final atom weighs slightly less than the original atoms. So where did the missing mass go? It turned into energy. Einstein explained it with one equation, E equals mc squared. Even a tiny amount of mass becomes a massive amount of energy. Every second, the sun converts 4.3 million tons of mass into pure energy. That's like destroying 3 million cars every second. Inside the sun, plasma plus photon journey. Inside the sun, nothing behaves normally. Temperatures reach 15 million degrees. Pressure is 250 billion times Earth's ocean floor. Atoms can't even stay intact. Electrons break free, creating a chaotic sea called plasma, the fourth state of matter. This is where energy is born. But here's where things get insane. That energy doesn't escape quickly. It travels as tiny packets of light called photons. But instead of moving straight out, they get trapped. They bounce randomly, constantly, absorbed, re-emitted, scattered in every direction. It's like trying to walk blindfolded in a crowded mall. This process is called Brownian motion, and because of this chaos, a single photon can take 10,000 to 170,000 years just to reach the surface. Light reaches Earth plus ending impact. When photons are created deep in the core, they start as extremely high energy radiation, like X-rays, but after thousands of years of collisions, they lose energy, slowly transforming into visible light. Finally, they escape the sun's surface and travel across space for just 8 minutes before reaching your eyes. So the light you see today started its journey long before human civilization even existed. Right now, as you stand in sunlight, you're witnessing something ancient, something that survived millions of years of chaos, pressure, and energy just to reach you. The sun isn't just a glowing ball in the sky. It's a perfectly balanced engine, gravity pulling inward, energy pushing outward, keeping everything stable. Because without it, there is no Earth, no life, no you. So next time you look at sunlight, don't just see brightness. See history, see physics, see the story of a universe finally reaching you.